Right, hello everybody. I know that most of you know me as a dancer. Some of you may know that I'm also a figure painter, trained for many years as that. But also, I used to be a cocktail barman, and I worked at a hotel called Great Morton Hall. I've not done any cocktails for probably 20 odd years, but here we go. So I'm going to start off, got a nice glass, I'm going to put some ice in, and come around here. Some ice out of the machine. Oh, dropped a bit out. Good start. Got the ice on the floor, we won't have that one, throw it in the sink. So, I'm going to, first of all, I've got a lemon here. I've washed the lemon, I'm going to slice it, and I'm going to use the first piece, I'm going to actually rub the edge of the glass so that when you take a sip you've got a little bit of a citrusy lemon feel to it, flavour. Raspberry gin, I'm going to put, I think I'm going to do 2 little slices and I'll see whether I use it. I'm going to pop one of those, oh that's a big thick one. Yeah, I'll pop that one in, I'll cut it in half. And there's something about gin that always goes well with the tonic. Pop that in there. Mix it around a little bit. I'm also going to put in some raspberries, which I've got here. I've already washed those, add a little bit of flavour. Got my gin, it's a new bottle of raspberry gin. I've not tried this one before. One time you just use normal gin and you get raspberry juice, and smell it. It smells nice. Don't know what colour it is. Oh, it's clear. It's disappointing. I would have liked it to have been red. You know, put quite a bit in there. Yeah, it's half a glass. It's not really a cocktail, is it really? It's just a gin and tonic. I'll have to do something more exotic next time. Pour the tonic in. Okay, so just stirring that there. And I've got some blueberries. I'm just going to half slice those. Just pop them on the edge of the glass. Just put those on. Take the little centre. There we go. And I think we're done. A little bit of raspberry in there. Raspberry gin tonic. There we go. How's that look? Shall I try it? It's lovely.